Hello guys, so for this video I'll show you guys 5 different ways to receive the ball as a midfielder. Okay, so in midfield there are different ways to receive the ball, and what we want to do is skills that you can do to avoid pressure on your first touch. Okay, so I'll show you guys 5 different skills, so let's go. Okay, so the first one is the half turn. This is very crucial for midfielders. Every player should be able to do this, well, regardless of position, but it is a very crucial skill for midfielders. Okay, so the half turn is done when there is no pressure or you have space to turn, but we want our movement to be efficient and we want to be quick in releasing the ball. Okay, so when we receive, wait lang, pass, yes, we want to, let's say we're going that way, okay, we want to be quick and efficient as much as possible with our touches and movement. So pass, we want to turn, okay, see that, in one movement, we're already facing the goal. Okay, so this is the bad example, okay, pass, stop the ball, push. Okay, so it took 2 touches and it is too slow, so the pressure will be there already, the passing options of your teammates will be gone. So we want to be quick in one movement only. So again, yes, so see which is better, first or second. And the second one, in one movement we're able to turn quickly and progress the ball quickly. So again, I'll show you one more time. Yes, pass, turn, one movement only. Yes, again. Okay, so how we do it is step forward, bend your knees, okay, and of course very important is scan. I'll talk about that in another video, but scan, bend your knees, and then we open up our body, twist our hips, so we're using the inside of our foot. Okay, so step, twist, okay, step and open up your hip. Okay, again, yes, step, twist, step and open up. Okay, yes, so that is the half turn. Okay, so the second one is the Toni Kroos touch. Okay, so when we're receiving the ball, we want to have deception. Okay, so the opponent, when they're pressing, they will try to predict where you will go. So we fake, we're going to do one move, but actually do a different one. So again, half turn. First move, half turn, we will now pretend that we're going to do the half turn, but then at the last moment, we go to the opposite side. Okay, so it's like this. I'll show it first. Yes, pass. And then go to the other side. Okay, so we're going to pretend we're going to do the half turn. Again, bend your knees and then open up your hips. And then we let the ball roll. Okay, we let the ball roll past our standing leg. So once it rolls, we're now pretend we're going to turn with the inside of our foot, but at the last minute, we cut the ball with the inside of our foot. Okay, so pretending we're going to the left, and then cut, we go to the other side. Okay, so again, yes, pass. Okay, and then go to the other side. Okay, so other side, yes. Okay, one more. Yeah. Okay, so push it, cut it to the inside and then push with the outside. So that's the Toni Kroos turn. Okay, so now next is third the no touch turn. Okay, so similar with the half turn, but in the half turn it's more used if there is no opponent pressing you. But for this variation, let's say there's an opponent pressing you from the back or side, so we're going to pretend. Okay, no touch turn. So just pass it, this time pass it gently. Okay, like this. Okay, so wait, key point, we can also do this if the ball is passed gently. If it's too hard, it's hard to do this. Okay, so pass it gently. So we pretend that we're going to where we are facing, and then step, let the ball roll, and turn. Okay? Okay, so yes, pass it to me gently. Pretend, then turn. Okay? So we let the ball roll. Okay, so that we can exit quicker. So we fake that we're going to receive the ball. Plant, very crucial is the planting leg. We fake that we're going forward, bend our knees, lean forward, let the ball roll, and turn. Okay? So I'll show you guys how it's done. Yes. Let the ball roll. Yes, again, one more. The step forward is very crucial. Pass it here. Yes. Okay, so we can do this if the opponent is pressing from our side or back. So let's say if the press is from my right side, I step to protect the ball and then let the ball roll to my left side. If the press is here, left side, I step with my left, protect, let it roll to my right side. Okay? Like this. Okay, so that is the third one, the no touch turn. Okay, so for the fourth one we will do is the Thiago turn. So Thiago Alcantara used this a lot. Basically, we're going to use it with the outside of our foot. So we're receiving the ball. Opponent is coming from behind. So it's coming from behind. We body feint, step, and then push with the outside foot. Okay, so we can receive it with the outside of our foot, but if there's no deception, it won't work. So there should be a feint. So step and then outside. Okay. So yeah, pass. More. Yeah. So when we receive the ball, timing. Once it's near, step, fake the opponent, then push with the outside. Okay, so very important here is to bend our knees and a soft touch with the outside of our foot. So it's called the Thiago turn. Yes, one more. Okay, so the fifth and last one, I like to call it the Foden turn. Okay, so players like Foden uses this. We're going way back. Also, Frank Lampard uses this a lot. Okay, so this is used if you're an attacking midfielder and you're on the pockets, you receive the ball and you want to do more than a half turn. Okay, so basically it's like this. Wait, I'll show it first before I explain. Yes, pass. Okay. So it's similar with the half turn. Okay, but with the half turn, right? We turn and the ball is straight. But this time we're shifting it to one of our side. Okay, so our opponent's on our back. We turn. Also, let's say if you're right-footed, you want to turn, but this time it's already with your right foot. If you're left-footed, you turn, but it's already with your left side. Okay, so again, yes, pass to me. See, it's already when I turn. Okay, so see when I turn, it's already not straight like this. It's here to my left or right foot. So I'm ready to kick the ball. Again, yes. Okay, from my right foot, I'm ready to kick the ball. Okay, so how to do this again? Bend your knee, step forward, let the ball roll. Okay, and then we're going to use the inside of our foot. So here, step on top of the ball. Okay, top of the ball, and then we drag it. Okay, so how's the movement again? Let the ball roll, step forward, and then step top of the ball with the inside turn. Okay, doing it with the left side. Step, touch, top of the ball, turn. Okay, so out of the 5, in my opinion, this is the hardest. So it takes practice before you master this skill. Okay, so this is the Foden turn. Yes, pass. Okay, so that's it for the video. So 5 different ways to receive the ball in midfield. So different skills you can do when you are pressured. Okay, so the first is the half turn. That is if you have no pressure. And then next, the cruise turn. So you can do that if you're facing your opponent. And then, and 3, the no touch turn. So you can do that if there's pressure on your side or from behind. 4th, the Thiago turn. You can do this if the pressure is from behind, and also the last is the Foden turn. Again, pressure from behind. Okay, so you can do this 5 different skills in midfield. If there's tight pressure, these are skills that you must have in order to be press resistant. Okay, so in midfield, it's important to play the ball with few touches. 1 or 2 touches is optimal. Okay, so to beat the pressure, you should be able to beat your opponents on your first touch. Okay, not stop the ball and then do your move. There are times for that, but you should also be able to beat your opponents with your first touch. Okay, so these 5 skills are very important in that scenario. Okay, so that's it for the video. Comment down below which of the 5 do you think is the most useful or like the hardest. Ayan, so 2, okay? 2 comments. So the first comment is which one do you think is the most useful for midfielders, and then second is which is the hardest of the 5 to do for a midfielder. Okay, so that's it. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this.